What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I said I was gonna do a better job this time with documenting the stuff, so here we go. This is day 2 of the fall garden. So just a couple of days ago, I got the bed set up. I got all my soil and everything in. Got a little compost, and then now, just yesterday, I went and actually put some stuff in the raised bed. So you'll see here we have some curled parsley. This side, in between here, which I don't have labeled, is I planted some onions. So should be some red and or not red, purple onions and just regular onions right here in this section. And then to the right of that, we have some cabbage that we planted also. So I think I caught it right at the right time, right after the first cold snap. So we're gonna see what happens. Today is November 23rd, 2024. Let's check back in tomorrow.